how to change the app language in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the app language for the Starbucks app on Android. So while the app itself doesn't have a built-in language setting, there is a simple workaround. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone, and now here once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on additional settings. And now here once you're inside the additional settings, simply tap on the option labeled as language and input. And now here inside this section, simply tap on languages, and after that on the new page you'll see the list of all the languages. So here you can simply scroll through or search for a language, and here once you have found it, you can just select the language and confirm it by tapping on OK. And here, if the Starbucks support that language in your country, the app may automatically display in the new language, but in many regions it will stay in English because the app doesn't fully support all language on Android yet. So here, if changing the device language didn't work, here is another options. You can simply install the Starbucks app for another country where the app language is fully supported. So to do that, you simply have to go to the Google Play Store region, and there you simply have to change the settings. And right from there, you can simply change the country region, and after that you can simply download the regional Starbucks app. But keep in mind that Starbucks rewards don't transfer between countries, so switching apps might give you a different account experience, and that's it. That's how you can change the Starbucks app language on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.